Hello everyone, this is Jordan. This video is being recorded on the late evening of Wednesday, May 1st, 2024. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe and also click the notifications bell as well. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most important gold chart for 2024. And if you've been following my work, I think you can probably guess what it is. And no, it's not gold against the stock market. It's actually gold against the 60-40 portfolio. So this is monthly data, and this is gold, the monthly gold chart, and this is gold divided by the 60-40 conventional investment portfolio. Now, let me talk about this for a moment. The 60-40 conventional investment portfolio is 60% of the capital invested in stocks and 40% of the capital invested in bonds. And so to find historical data going back over 100 years, I had to do a construction of this. I paid a programmer to calculate total return for bonds, and I did find some total return data for stocks. So you can look at price-only data, but this data includes dividends. So this is gold against the 60-40 portfolio total return. So now, here is where we are right now, or where I should say we closed yesterday. We closed April. Now, I was tracking this intra-month, and we were actually, this is closed the month at 3.34. At one point, a week ago, or maybe 10 days ago, this was at 3.48, and we did have a clear breakout here. But it didn't hold into the end of the month. And just as weekly closes are important, so are monthly closes and quarterly closes as well. So the monthly close, the action in the last week or 10 days or so, gold lost the relative gain. So the confirmation of a new secular bull market, that signal, it didn't trigger as April closed. But I do expect that we will get that confirmed signal maybe later this month or maybe in a couple months. But I do expect it's coming this year. And so the lines here, these light vertical lines, you can see this one is when gold bottomed. And then the second one is when you could say we really got the confirmation signal here. When this is gold against the 60-40, it broke this little downtrend here, and then you had this really sharp rise. So it was clear. It also broke above the moving average here, the 40-month moving average. So that was a clear signal, clear confirmation signal. That's the problem with confirmation signals, is they come after the fact. So you have to wait for them. So yes, this confirmation signal came, let's see, this is like almost year and a half or so after the nominal bottom in gold. Same thing happened here. The nominal bottom in gold was April 2001, and we didn't get the signal until the beginning of 2002. So I put right here as the confirmation move and the confirmation signal. So again, that's the problem with waiting for confirmation, is there is a delay, and by the time it's confirmed, prices are already materially higher. So this here is where I'm marking in nominal terms the start of the new bull market in gold, the new secular bull market, just right before it made the breakout move. Now, you could quibble and start it here, but for my money, this is really when it starts, right here. And so at some point, we're going to get the second vertical signal, the confirmation signal. And so looking at this price action right here, it's clear that we haven't gotten the signal yet. And when we see this line make a strong move like that, then that is going to be your confirmation signal. That's going to be, again, the same signal we got in 1972 and 2002. And the reason why this is so important, and I've talked about this in videos in the past, but maybe not in detail recently, is when you are in a real bull market in gold. I mean, really anything, but especially in gold. When you're in a real bull market, a secular bull market, gold is outperforming everything. You're not in a secular bull market when the stock market is going up alongside gold. That just, especially when the stock market, I should say, is going up and making new all-time highs. Now, I know that very recently, yes, the stock market has made a new all-time high, but look, when we get this signal, when we get this pop in a confirmation signal, that's going to have gold strongly outperforming the stock market, and that's probably going to imply stock market weakness, bear market in the stock market, a recession, downturn, etc. But that is what is needed to really get that confirmation signal. And that's also what's needed to get the big move higher in gold. You see a move like that, see a move like that, and that is what will trigger gold moving to 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 over the next few years. And so I know I can babble on all day here just about one chart, but to wrap things up, gold has broken out from a beautiful 13-year cup and handle. It's in a little correction right now. In real terms, we haven't gotten, look at this, we have not gotten the confirmation yet. So if we're looking at history where, somewhere before 2002 or somewhere before 1972. And again, this is just the beginning of the secular bull market. Okay? Because you can see this is a secular bull market. Gold crushing the 60-40. Gold crushing the 60-40. People, it's barely even started yet. It's barely even started. That's the important takeaway. We haven't got the confirmation yet, but we'll check over the next couple months and see if we get that confirmation. But for here and now, that's all for this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys again soon.